Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Monday, everybody. Motivational Monday. What up, everyone? What up, what up, what up? Sup, Andreas? Sup, Alex? Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing today? Guys, crazy, crazy day. Well, we got a better movement than we did last week, I'll tell you that. Last week, guys, was movement crazy. Crazy chop. Guys, look at this candle. My gosh. Yeah, good morning, everyone. But guys, we got a lot of better movement. Last week was just super choppy. We went on a 4-day losing streak with this one account. We lost like 1,400. Nothing crazy. This is a $2 account. And yeah, we're just going to try and save it. Look at this, guys. This was 23. This was 900 points. This is a 900 point 5-minute candle, guys. Imagine you were in a long down here. Oh my gosh. You would have had a nice payday. Very nice payday. But last week, every day was just like very choppy and wicky and pullback central. But today we got some decent movement. Hey, what's up, No Time? How you doing, man? What up, what up, what up? Gandalf, yeah. I got turtle soup myself. I got turtle soup quite a bit. Man, you gotta watch out for those turtle soups. Gandalf. Yeah. Yeah, the markets, with all the war news and everything, man, it's been crazy. Yeah, last week I was like, can I trade anymore? It was that bad. Yeah, every trade on this funded account was a loss. That was pretty bad. Like, really rough. I was like, my gosh. I was like, what's going on? And then, gas is over $6 a gallon now where I'm at. The Honda Fit, in January, I was paying $35, guys, for a full tank. Now, I filled it up on Friday or something, a couple of days ago. It was $55 for a full tank, which is still kind of cheap, but like from being $35 from a full tank to now $55, I was like, whoa, that's a massive increase. That's like over a 50%, right? Well, we had a big sell-off right here. Well, we had a big rip up. These are kind of big candles today, and then now it looks like we're making a reversal. We'll see. But we also gotta get some momentum on these challenges. We got 5 challenges going. We gotta watch out for these turtle soup guys. Yeah, we got these 5 challenges. They're only up $300. It's not a whole lot. Where are we going, everyone? You think we're bullish or bearish? Alright, where are we going? Where are we going? Where are we going? Great job, Kenji. Yeah, lock it in, man. Kenji, when you do get that, that's good job, man. Well, when you do get that fund account, really have a daily loss limit, man. I really want to see you get a payout, brother. I really want to do. So, really set a daily loss limit, man. Especially with the trailing drawdown accounts. Trade small size, Kenji, and just like long-term approach. But good job, man. Glad to hear that you're about to pass. Yeah, we are downtrending at the moment. This is a pullback. Just gotta be careful of a reversal. Way better price action than last week, I'll tell you that. Don't cry, Kenji. I just want to see you succeed, man. That's why I'm saying it. I want to see you get a payout, man. That would be pretty sick. $67% bearish, 33% bullish. No ranges. We don't have any range people. I don't think we're seeing a range right now. No. To the upside or to the downside? Where are we going? Silver went to what, $55, $56 a share in the morning, early morning. It just ripped up like over 10%. Now it's at like 62, I think. I don't know, darling. We gotta see for an entry. I want to see if this is just a pullback or is it actual reversal. Because we were consolidating up here earlier, and then we started breaking out only like 40 minutes ago. This is a big sell-off. Well, it's not. Well, I mean, it's 200 points. That's pretty big, actually. Nice, wise guy, up 1.7. Let's go. Happy you're here, man. Thank you for joining, as always, wise guy. Thank you, brother. Oh, yes, guys. Oh, yes. Guys, we gotta start cooking. We gotta cook. Chef Casinator in the house. It is staircasing up right here. Damn, we're moving kind of quick today, honestly. We're actually moving pretty fast today. 3:30. Hey, what's up, Beyond Limit? What's up, brother? How you guys doing? Buenos dias. Buenos dias. Yeah, wise guy, it happens, man. I break my rules at times too, man. It's really hard, honestly. It's just like working on it one day at a time and just being disciplined about it. Wise guy, you should go like do a hard workout or go on a run or something. Something like that. It helps, wise guy. You're like, all right, this is not gonna happen again. I'm gonna go on a 2 or 3 mile run, something like that, or a mile run. Oh man, sometimes when I broke my rules, I did some weird ass shit. Like I was like, yeah, I shaved the mustache because I blew my accounts. That was 2024. Golf and smoking a cigar. Who needs a run? We can do that, man. Dude, that's actually living the life. Golfing on a Monday, smoking a cigar. Like when you finally made it, it's like a random Monday with the boys. Hit a few on the green. You're like, yep, beautiful Monday. Dude, that's the life. Alright, new 5-minute right here. We had a massive sell-off, like a gap down this, like, I don't know, what is it, where is it? We had a massive gap down. Oh yeah, right here. This is kind of a big gap down. We had a big sell-off. Guys, what is this candle? Oh my gosh. Do you guys know why we just ripped up so much? This is the biggest 5-minute candle I've probably ever seen. Yeah, this is the biggest 5-minute candle I've ever seen. This is a 5-minute candle. 760. Dude, this candle right here after this big move is 200 points. This one 5-minute candle. This is 200 points. This one's 900. Ah. Right on, Majestic. Thank you. He did it so early. Well, 7 a.m. Eastern. I'm sleeping. It was 4 a.m. when that happened. I am past sleeping out. I'm asleep. Beyond Limits. Yeah, you gotta call him, man. You're like, hey, what's going on, buddy? You're like, boss, I can't work, man. I need my accounts activated, brother. He goes, don't worry, I got you. Thanks, Michael Patak. You're the best. You're the best, Michael. He's the one and only. Michael Patak. Yeah. Guys, that's our boss right there. Without him, we can't be funded, guys. 454. Yeah, we're moving kind of quick today, honestly. Thank you for Traders for Life. Yeah. Yeah. Dude, you know how many insider traders do you think were already in a position before this happened? And then he's like, all right, at 4:05, 4 o'clock, I'm going to announce it. I'm going to tweet it. Instantly in profit. What's up, Ani? What's up, brother? How you doing, man? I love your turtle drawings, bro. You do them so well. Mine look like a freaking hot dog bus or something. I don't know. Yes, sir, Beyond Limits. We realistically only need 2 banger days, honestly, to pass these, because we already have the 5 trading days. We just need to hit $3,000 profit target, and max in a day is $1,500. So we could, if we really pushed it, pass in 2 days. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, Shino fan. Great weekend. Nice weekend. Hope you guys had a nice one as well. Watch the UFC fights with the fam. Cook some steak. Dude, you guys see those videos on Costco where people are going and they're getting like a big pack of meat? Big pack of steak for like $140, $150. I got a giant pack of New York steak, like a thick piece of meat, for $140. And then we cut it up and we got 14 big steaks out of it. 14 big steaks. So we got 14 New York steaks for like $10 a piece, basically, which I think was a really good deal, because when you buy the 5-pack at Costco, it's like, where I'm at, it's like $70, $80 for a pack of 5. So I did the math. We saved over $100 just by cutting it ourselves. Kind of a lot, yeah. So we got some steaks. You're going crazy. Oh yeah, you're up over 100 points, man. Dude, that runner could do some damage. He's putting in that marathon. Well, if we continue to break this low, we could see another big gap to the downside. Whole mattress? I didn't see people taking a whole mattress, yeah. Yeah, I'm taking samples of a purple mattress. I'm bringing that home. Yeah, it's like 100 grams of protein, man. Pure protein. Oh, yeah. With some broccoli. Oh, that broccoli and eggs. Pure testosterone right there. Gotta be a gym bro. But then I seen guys like cooking the steaks on the video. There's like a nice steak with like eggs, and then they have like fruit, and they drizzle like honey on the fruit. I'm like, that, and it's on the cutting board. I'm like, that looks really good. Like, really good. Yeah, honey. Yeah. Yeah, you see the video where the guy put on like 10 different disguises? Like, he literally was going getting his samples and he was putting on a different disguise. And then the lady was like looking at him like, Alright, this guy's getting really weird. What's going on? He would literally just put on like a wig or a mustache. What's up, Rex? What's up, man? How you doing? Well, you know what's crazy? We had FOMC last week, and it was the doggiest, crappiest price action ever. We have absolutely no news today, and we have some good movement, like pretty volatile, like pretty fast. We have news tomorrow, no news Wednesday, and just unemployment on Thursday. That's every Thursday, and then nothing on Friday. Imagine like a no news week is more better than a news week. It's all about the tweets, man, and the war. I think that's what everyone's focusing on right now. Screw the tariffs. Everyone's worried about the war right now. Andy, probably, man. Probably. This is what I was worried. I was want to make sure if it was a reversal or just a pullback, because we were. I want to see if we were overextended, because we dropped like over 200 points right there. Yeah, Ani, let's freaking cook, man. We gotta cook. We gotta cook this week, guys. We gotta cook. Yeah, if we do break this and go lower, I mean, yeah, this is a big gap. I mean, look at this gap to the downside. This is a... Oh, yeah. I think we hit the 23,000s for the first time this year. Just last week, I think. I think it was the first time we hit the 23,000s this year, if I'm not mistaken. My press? Press. Yeah, honey. Yeah, New York is nice. Last week, though, what is it? Asia was moving really better than New York, everyone was saying. But yeah, that can't be all the time. Yeah, that's why I only like stick to New York. Oh yeah, Eddie. Gotta tell Mr. Trump to back down. Him, Nancy Pelosi, and Jerome Powell, and also the one and only Michael Patak. We gotta tell them that, hey, you guys are we gotta slow down here. We gotta chill out here. Oh, you know what'd be crazy? If we had all of them, we were like in a group chat, and they're like, okay, we're all gonna tweet at the same exact time. Everyone go long. Insider Trading 101. Imagine there's like just a family group chat, and they're all in there. Like, all right, we're all gonna tweet at 7 a.m. Everyone go long. 6:55. Get ready. Instant profit. Sell. Get out. We're done. Call it a year. Alright, I want to see this break, this 370 area, 372. This is a big gap. We gotta be wary of bouncing right here. Damn, Steve. Great freaking job, brother. Damn, Steve, you started them last week, right? You already have a 15K payout. Steve, you're fucking killing it, bro. Alright, good. Now it's breaking. Yanni, this is the break you want, man. That runner's doing damage, bro. That's a big... We could see a big gap if it continues to flush. Yeah, I like shorts better at the moment, definitely. Steve, don't you just need to flip? Like, you just need the winning days, right? One kill, two. Try not to trade the open, man. The open can be very tricky. I don't trade the open. Try trading like maybe like 30 minutes, an hour after. You know, I'm trading like what, 2.5 hours after open right here on this stream. If you're not finding success and getting chopped up, yeah, don't trade that time, man. Nice. Nice, Andy. Yeah, Steve, that's the annoying part with them is you need to trade 5 days. Yeah, technically you can pass it in 2 to 3, but yeah, you just gotta flip. But yeah, it's just annoying. Great job, Steve. Yeah, pretty much, Steve, you just flip, yeah. 150 bucks done. 150 bucks. 15 racks, Steve. In the bank. Rex, I never said like a particular amount. I was just consistently getting payouts and everything. And then I had the shoe business and I had a buffer from that with the payouts. So I was like, screw it. I'm just gonna go all in on trading. I think it depends on like Rex, like when you're ready, like when you feel ready. It's a lot more stressful, man. I'll be 100% honest. It's way more stressful. So it's always nice to have other incomes, Rex. Besides trading. I know, Steve, you're freaking killing it, brother. One Cal, you can't think like that. You can't be like, oh, today's the day, you know what I'm saying? It just ends in ruin. You just trade the market and what you see. So if you're not finding success at market open, man, just, yeah, like, I don't know, find like 30 minutes, an hour after market open. And try that, because it does chop around at market open. Nice, Andy. Nice, Jacob. Dang, yeah, you guys are paying on the shorts, man. Wow, 42% voted bullish. I'm kind of surprised. No, Jacob, no. Hey, thank you, Steve, for using my code, man. It means a lot. God bless you guys. Really means a lot, guys. Thank you. Yeah, gives you extra luck, Steve, yeah. Oh, yeah, we got red coming in right here. We do have a new 5-minute in 35 seconds. What's up, Karthik? No trades yet. But I'm looking for a short entry. I want to see where this 5-minute... I'm going to wait for it to close. Let's go, Andy. What's up, Cave Trader? What's up, man? Haven't seen you in a while. How you been? Alright, new 5-minute right here. Doing good, man. How you doing? It's a beautiful Monday. Oh, how much you have? Like a micro? Audie, dude, imagine you just let that winner run, bro. That runner is running. Jacob, yeah, that's something I've been trying to work on, is holding my winners. Some of these aggressive pullbacks are like really aggressive and they come back to my entry and it's so annoying. And I'm like, I'm better off just locking in at like 20, 30 points. I know what you're saying. It's hard, man. So that's probably the best way, is to trim if you're trying to hold. Because you lock in gains, you lower the risk, and you still have positions running. Yeah, Bobby, I like shorts right at the moment. Just waiting for a good entry. Audie, bro. 250 points. Dude, that's a banger freaking trade. 250 points. Nice, Cape Trader. That's nice, man. Glad to see you back. Gotta grind, man. Turtle power. Yeah, it's tough, man, but you just... What are you struggling with, man? I'll try to help you guys as much as I can. I want to see everyone succeed. Nice, Cape Trader. You're halfway done, man.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a stab short right here. We're doing 4 micros because it's moving really quick. Faster than normal. So we're ending right here. I like this entry better. Retesting this bottom right here. Turtle soup. Gotta love turtle soup, man. I love me a turtle soup. Nothing like a turtle soup on a Monday. We're up almost 20 points right there. Yeah, I'm just entering on a pullback on this level right here as well. So we've been seeing pullbacks recently, guys, so I don't want to enter on the breakouts. I've been getting clapped on the breakouts, so yeah, I like this entry short. Four micros. 20 points. I'm getting used to the math because I'm used to trading like 5. So 10 points is 80 bucks. Not bad, not bad. If we can see in there, I mean, this is a big move, 50, 60 points down to these previous lows, and if we break that and continue going down, there's a big gap, guys. Turtle Power, you just gotta adapt and learn to these markets, man. I know they're tough, and especially with like all the tweets and everything in the war news, it just definitely size down, man. Honestly, it's definitely size down, and try to get used to these markets, because this is definitely a different market than it was like at the beginning of the year, like completely different. So we just gotta adapt and learn to it. At our peak, we're up 20 points, but I would not realistically sell there. This is just the start of the move. Yes, Ani, we can see a nice flush. Champions. To the downside, champions. We only do 5 minutes and 6 seconds. Bruh.
Stop filled.
Wow. Well, we got stopped out right there. That's unfortunate. I still like that entry short, guys. I really do. Entering on a pullback. Retesting this bottom level right here. I still like that short, even though we got stopped out. really. I mean, I had a, what, 25-point stop. So, at our peak, we're only up 20 points. I mean, like I said, I wouldn't realistically have sold there. Yeah, Steve, that freaking ran up like, yeah. The 5-minute candle, I think, was 900 points, man. Let's go, Tommy. Great job, man. You're killing it, brother. Let's go. Yeah, I still like that entry short, honestly, guys, even though it was a loss. Really. I think that was a good entry. It just didn't work out. Yeah, we have to see Andy. Guys, this is a $2 account. We cannot let him die. We gotta let him survive. We need to let him survive. Survive and thrive. That is the plan. Name of the game. Survive and thrive. First step is surviving. I'm just thinking that this is just a pullback and that we're just gonna fall shorter, honestly. That's what I'm thinking. Boom, boom, boom. Sorry to hear that, Josh. Yeah, it's been pretty rough, honestly. Last week was really, really bad. Really bad. A lot of people lost a lot of accounts last week. Like, really good traders, too. I mean, I went 4-day losing streak on this account. But it's just how you come back from it, guys. Blowing accounts is a normal part of trading, especially with prop firms. Total power, you gotta have the confidence in your mind before that you could save them. You could definitely save accounts from $1,000, total power, really. $1,000 in drawdown, you can definitely save. I've saved accounts from like $100, $200. I mean, I saved this account from $2. So it's all a mindset, turtle power. If you're failing in your head before you do it, you're already gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have confidence before you're going into tomorrow. Like, you know, just turtle power. If you just take your A+ setup, good risk management, and it doesn't work out, that's still a win, man. Really, you gotta look at it like that. You can't judge yourself based on if the trade was a loss or a win. Like, I actually like this entry short. I'm not really mad about it, even though we lost on that trade and got stopped out. I was up 20 points. I'm still happy with that entry, really. I thought it was a good entry, but it just didn't work out. Audie, yeah, you're still up, what, probably like 200 points still, yeah? Andy, at least you made it to payout, man. Not a lot of people get there, so good job on that. But, hey, you gotta... Now we're grinding back. We gotta grind the evals, man. We gotta grind the evals. I'm back on the evals, too, on these 5. Dude, I think we're gonna fall short right here, really. New 5-minute right here. Beyond limits, I know. Every freaking trade, our first trade, we always get stopped out. First trade shenanigans, man. Yeah, Tommy, low key, we might have to go to 3 and then, yeah. Wider stop. Wait, I had a 25 point on that last trade. Might be still too small. I don't know. I mean, 25 points for me is like my max, really. Look, I'm usually rocking like a 15 point stop, but these markets are moving way too fast for that. Low-key might need like a 30, 40. I don't know. 70. Yeah, I mean, 30, 40. Damn. Yeah, honestly, beyond limits, I think we should just like have like a 2-point stop loss on our first trade. Get stopped out, get rid of that bad juju, and then take our next setup. Turtle Power, you gotta learn not to trade that time zone then, man. If you're having really bad troubles trading that time, don't trade it. You could just wait like after like an hour after market open. I mean, I'm trading 2.5 hours after market open. You could still catch some good moves. But during that early morning market open, definitely more rangy and fake outs and all that stuff. You gotta be careful on market open. Yes, sir, Tommy. Poverty, yeah, it sucks, man. It sucks, but it happens, man. Just gonna come back stronger, Poverty. You got this, brother. You always support me, I gotta support you. You got this, man. Don't let it bother you, man. Mr. Wee, I think we have better price action today, definitely, than last week, really. Yeah, last week was... Those are the days I definitely should not have traded. Definitely better today, in my opinion. Just gotta adapt to it. Hey, what's up, Jasmine? Turtle Powers, if you profit on your funded accounts, man, and you follow all the rules, that is your money. That is your money, Turtle Power, so don't think of it like that. Yeah, guys, business expense. It's a business expense. Like, all jokes aside, if you lost your evals, you know, it's a business expense. It's a learning cost. It really is. You'll never meet one successful trader that has never blown an account. Ever. If you did, they're probably lying or full of crap, really. Everyone has blown accounts. I've blown hundreds. I've blown a lot. You just can't let it get to you, guys. It's just how you learn. You gotta learn from it. Yeah, ATR is pretty crazy today. Nice, Andy. Jasmine, that's a big swing. Yeah, that's a $2,000 swing, so lock out for today. Yeah, good job, Jasmine. Thanks, Josh. Yeah, I'll do some more giveaways. I'm gonna ask the other firms if they want to do some more giveaways or something. But we'll see. We already gave away 15 this month. Yeah, Shino, yeah. I mean, they would go bankrupt. Infinite payout prop, guys. 80 funded accounts, payouts on day 1, instant funded, no consistency. What could go wrong? Sounds good to me. Sounds pretty legit. Vivian, you passed the first part. Now the second part is, yeah, passing the trailing drawdown. And that's the next hard part, Vivian. But good job on passing. Oh yeah, Turtle Power, but like I said, Turtle Power, as long as you followed your rules, you managed to get your risk good, and you lost, it's a win, man. Really. That's trading. You're gonna lose. You're gonna blow up. You're gonna have good days. You're gonna feel on top of the world. It's trading. It's hard, man. It's really hard. Trading's very hard, man. This is how you go around about it. It's hard, Josh, especially in the beginning. It's just one day at a time, just controlling your emotions. It's hard, but I've gotten a lot better at my emotions. Like, I can feel, like, tilt creeping up on me now. And I'm, like, thinking in my head, like, Casey, you probably should not be trading right now. And I'm like, okay. Casey, I think we should just walk away. We should just walk away. Today's not our day. Yeah, all that matters is when it hits your bank account, yeah. Then you're not crying. You're happy. That's what happened when I got my first payout, guys. I was like, I literally thought it was all fake. I was like, oh, this shit's fake. This not. What if we get scammed? Blah blah blah. But as soon as that top step payout hit my bank account and I requested it, I was like, no shit. I bought 3 accounts right away, trying to get max allocated. I was like, imagine this was 3 accounts, Casey. That would have been a 21 grand payout. It was crazy. I was like, the possibilities are insane. But like I said, you gotta manage your risk and you gotta prove yourself first before you copy trade, guys. Don't be going in crazy. Don't go into debt with this stuff. It's pretty scary. Well, it looks like we're trying to make a pullback, but we just gotta pull back down. We'll see. Hey, what's up, Angika? Doing good. How are you? Nice, Emil. Emil loves that. Emil, you gotta love that. What is it called? Order flow. Order flow. Order filled. Order filled. Where do you guys think we're going? I was feeling very bearish. Then we got stopped out. Looks like it's trying to make a reversal right here, but we were looking at that right here, and then it just dumped really hard. I mean, it dumped 150 points when we first started right here. Look, it's kind of doing that right here, guys. You see that? Dump. I don't know. I still like shorts. I don't know. I have a short bias right now. I'm sorry to hear that, Turbo Power, but like I said, if you just follow your rules and everything, don't be blowing up. As long as you follow your rules and it's still a loss, it's a win, man. Really. Trading's tough. Trading's very tough. I mean, when I first started propfirms, at my peak, I was down, like 2024, I was literally down 20 grand, guys. I was thankfully not in debt, but I was down 20 grand overall. Because like I said, I had a big buffer from the shoe business, because I was doing that for almost 4 years. And, you know, I had money to play with. You know, like, smartly. I'm not just, like, going crazy and buying, like, hundreds of accounts, like nothing, you know what I'm saying? But at my peak, I was down 20 grand. Then I ended up getting 6 figures in profit. I'm not, you know, trading's hard, you know. I don't even know how I did it. Then we cleared 300K in payouts. That was freaking crazy. Yeah, I was telling that to my brother. He's like, that's fucking wild. Because my brother trades too. Tommy, yeah, you gotta get your money back and some. Gotta get our money back, guys. That's low-key what I'm thinking beyond limits, honestly. Lee, I still have shoes, but it's just like dead inventory, honestly. I'm just trying to get rid of, like, taking a loss on it. I think I have around 100 pairs of shoes still, which is still a lot. But it's just like a bunch of shoes not really people want. And it's just like, some are outlet shoes, but some are Jordans and stuff. But I'm mainly just trying to liquidate them, honestly, and get my money back, really, to be honest. That's where I'm at with the shoes. User, it really depends, man. It really depends on your size and what type of trader you are and, like, your bills. Like, it really depends on you, user. So I never go for that number. I never go into the week saying, oh, I need to make 200 points average on all accounts. I never do that. Never do that. I always just literally just manage my risk properly. Whatever the market gives me, it gives me, really. Because you can't go into the market saying like, oh, I need to make 500 points this week. You know, it's stressful. And it depends on your contract size and everything as well. So it really depends on you. Nice, Emil. Tommy, yeah, I'm doing this in the YouTube. I gotta pump out more content. I've been slacking on the long form content, but this is my jobs right now. But yeah, maybe find a new side hustle or something. Guys, this is what I'm saying. I think it's gonna fall back short. I really do. Turtle power, just one day at a time, man. Just being patient, really. Try fishing. Try going fishing, really. It really works on your patience. I used to be very, and I still am, very impatient. Like, very, very impatient. Like, I just want it, like, now. Like, right now. I don't like to wait. But over the years, I've been learning that patience pays. And I'm getting back into hobbies like fishing, for example, which is, you need to be very patient. Fishing, you're not going to catch a fish every cast. Just work on stuff like that. Just discipline and willpower, and just work on it one day at a time. Ani, I'm a size 15 shoe. 15. I'm 6'7", 280 pounds of pure muscle. Size 15. Cody, no shoe giveaway now. This is a trading channel, guys. The shoe business was so fun, though. It was really fun. I never thought of it as work. I would work all day, like from the moment I wake up till night. I was grinding on that stuff 24/7, and I loved it. And I never thought of it as work, but the shoe market drastically changed. Truly, they're all fake knockoffs, straight from the overseas. Yeah. A mil? Nice. Honestly, Tommy, thank you, man. It means a lot. Thank you for all the support, as always, Tommy. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, one payout on, like, 5-10 accounts. I mean, if you're pulling in 10 grand a month on payouts, which is definitely doable on propfirms, I mean, that's a good income right there, really. That's 120 grand a year, guys. That's 6 figures a year, 10K a month. And that, 50K account. Just one good payout, just discipline. Actually, I never thought about that. One payout across 5 accounts, you're kind of good. That's 10 grand, guys. You could just trade micros. Tommy, you just opened my eyes, brother. I was thinking we need to get like 20 payouts a month. Now that I think about it, one good payout with 5 accounts, guys, that shit adds up. That's 10 grand. How much would an extra 10 grand would be for you guys? That's a lot of money, actually. That's a really good salary. Size 7, 6'2", damn. No, I'm just joking. I'm not a 15. Dude, if I was the size 15 shoe is probably like bigger than my head, honestly. I went to Ross and I found like a size 18 shoe. I was like, oh my gosh. It's literally bigger than my head. I'm like, imagine a UFC fighter that's like in the heavyweight division with a size 18 shoe and you're getting kicked. Oh my gosh. You know how much that would hurt? You get knocked out. Alright, we have a new 5 minute and 15 seconds. You literally get smoked. Yeah, I was literally looking at it at Ross. I'm like, golly, size 18. I'm like, that's a big ass feet. Damn. John, yeah, there was some like a Trump tweet everyone was saying about the Iran war and all that. Alright, this is a new 5 minute. Get up. Yeah. Yeah, that's see, Gandalf. Yeah, guys, now that I think about it. Yeah, one payout costs 510 accounts? That shit adds up. We gotta get our damn freaking accounts back, guys. Yeah, clown shoes. Yeah, and Tommy, you're doing good, man. You're up good amount this year. I like that. The leverage, guys, of 5 to 10 counts. And then people complain like, oh, a $2,000 payout cap is nothing. That's literally nothing. I'm like, literally copy trading to 5, 10 accounts. Now that turns into 10, 20 grand. I mean, are we really complaining about a 20 grand month? I mean, that's a great month, guys. Yeah. Shaq? What size is Shaq? Shaq is probably like over a 20, yeah? Shaq shoe size. Size 22. Oh my gosh. A size 22 shoe. Oh my lord, dude. Size 22? Nah. Yeah, imagine you get kicked by that. That's like that freaking big. Ani, yeah, that's like 120 grand a year. Yeah, if you're pulling. Now that I think about it, guys, you guys are right. 10 grand a month is kind of a lot of money. That is a good money. That's 6 figures a year. Cause rent usually what for people rent. Well, in the Bay Area, rent is around $2,500 to $3,000 a month rent, and then you gotta get food, bills, phone bill, whatever else you got, maybe a car payment. So if you're spending about like $4,000 to $5,000 a month on expenses, like just living, guys, I really think it's falling short. Really, I'm glad I didn't take a long there. I think it's gonna fall short. I think maybe look for a short entry. Yeah, if you're spending $5,000 a month just on living expenses and you get an extra $5,000 a month, I mean, you're profiting 5 racks a month. That's pretty damn good. And your bill's paid. Hey, what's up, Alex? How you doing, man? Yeah, size 22 shoe, guys. What the heck? My gosh. I mean, a size 15 is big. Now imagine something that's double and a half. No, yeah, over half that more. My gosh. Yeah, if you get kicked by Shaq, yeah, you're going straight to the moon, man. To the upside, guys. This is you. This is us right now, right here. You got this is you. This is us right here. Shaquille O'Neal freaking kicks you. You're literally, boom, size 22 shoe to the face. 900 points to the upside. You're knocked out. You're done. Instantly liquidated. No chance. No shot. That's literally you right here. Us right here. We get kicked in the head. Boom. We're knocked out. We can't do anything. We're knocked out. What are you going to do? You get stopped out. You're liquidated. You're done. My gosh. Yeah, not a lot of people make 10K a month. Consistently. Yeah, that's a lot of money. Yeah, also not spending like crazy and splurging and going crazy and dropping bags left and right. Oh, I gotta get that new watch. Oh, you see those new Jordans? Oh, I gotta get those new Jordans. Yeah. Retro Rich? Yeah. I made good money on 2024. That's what I was living off of in 2025. I lost a lot of money, but that was from the payouts and also my shoe business. But then, yeah, like I said, I just saw my money just like, going down. Good luck, Emil. I mean, look at this. We had a pullback. It looks like it was a reversal and just dropped over 100 points. Yeah. Instantly margin called, liquidated. No shot, no chance. The market makers want their money back. No shot. We didn't have a chance. You're like, I can't compete. I can't compete. The guy's a size 22 shoe. My gosh. Rich, yeah, it is definitely harder. Well, I lost a lot during the tariffs last year. I got clapped on that. And now we got war with Iran, so... And this was kind of around the same time, guys, when the tariffs... Like, I think March and April last year was very volatile. Like, particularly April, I think was very volatile. And what was happening? All the tariffs was coming out and all that stuff. Big sell-offs. And then, now we got war with Iran right now and all the oil and all that. This is around the same time, guys, so we got to be wary. We had massive sell-offs, then we had massive recoveries, and then hitting all-time highs on a bunch of stocks. Man, I was looking at Palantir as well. My gosh. And then that skyrocketed to over $200 a share. That was crazy. Nice, Emil. Hey, what's up, Tushar? The best microman in the house. I'm doing good. How are you? The best microman in the house. The one and only Tushar. We have a 37% bullish still. 48% bearish. Nice, Tushar. Guys, we gotta realize small numbers add up, actually. Damn. Well, if we have, like, just one set of 5 accounts, like 50Ks, most 50K caps are, what 2 grand? 10 grand a month, guys. Consistently trading micros, keeping the accounts alive. Because most of the propfirms will move you to live after, like, 5 payouts. Yeah, 5 payouts. Get out, Emil. If you don't like it, get out. You can always get out. Yeah, guys, if you're in a trade and you're not liking it and you're getting anxiety and you're not feeling it, you could just get out a small win, break even, or a small loss. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with just getting out. Yeah, guys, we definitely have to adapt to these markets, really. I think I definitely need wider stops and lower my size. Yeah, my tighter stops have not been working. It is too volatile. Shino fan, that is crazy. I don't understand how they move you to live that early, honestly. And then they sent out an email saying that they're like really enforcing rules or something with Take Profit Trader. Like against bad actors or something. Something like that. Huh. Andy, yeah. 300 who? 300 room to the downside. 89. 40 point stop. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Take Profit Traders. First with the affiliates, and now with these emails. Yeah, I read the email. I think it was for the bots and traders. Like for us, normally trading that don't hedge or break the rules, we're fine, which is good. So it's just the bad actors. The bad actors, guys. The bad apples. Gotta stay away from the bad apples. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Shino fan, do you have your live account set up already, Shino fan? Eddie, yeah, a lot of people do that, actually. They literally hedge each other. They literally, one goes long, one goes short, same time. One's bound to win. And then, yeah, they just split the profits. Which is super highly unallowed illegal activity. Damn, Gandalf. Yeah, they're coming out. I don't know. They're doing big changes with them. I don't know. I hope they don't have any money issues, really. Because their firm has been popping off recently. Like, more and more people are using them. I mean, guys, it's 5 cash ATMs. Well, that's good you got a Shino fan, but yeah, just be disciplined with it. Treat it like a live account, Shino. That's great, man. Not a lot of people get there, man, so proud of you, bro. But it is a little weird how they moved you so early. Ani, yeah. Just rip it, boys. To the moon! Lucid's good firm. Lucid's good firm. Bazooka, yeah. Yeah, bazooka. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys. Oh yeah. Yep, Tommy, those are good firms. Tommy, if you're doing good with TopStep and Tradeify, man, with the 5 days, honestly, Tommy, I'm being, like, the MyFundedFutures flex accounts. Really. You can get 550Ks. And it's like, same thing, just 5 winning days. And then you can get a payout, Tommy. Yeah, the flex plan. What is it? Yeah, you just need 5 winning days of $150 or more. No consistency in the funded. I mean, Tommy, that might be something to add to your arsenal, man. Maybe, Eddie. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I hope not. It's not a capital issue. Angika, yeah. Angika, this is the $2 account. But we're back in drawdown. We're back in the downside, guys. We gotta crawl out. Rich, probably Tradeify, man. The lightning funded are pretty good with instant funded. Rich, top one. I don't know, man. I don't know. I try to stick to the more reputable firms. I don't know about them. But Tradeify, I heard a lot of good things about their lightning funded. $354. I don't know. No, Andy, they still pay out and they're still legit. 100%.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm taking a short right here. Taking a stab short. Taking a stab short. 3 micros. We're lowering our position size. We just need a win. We need a good win. I still like shorts. Where did we enter last time? I think we entered here or here. I think right here. I still like that entry, honestly, for a short. We're trying shorts again. Ani, no, yeah, they've been around a while. They pay out. They're good. Nice, Sheena. I haven't tried them, so I can't speak on them really, but I heard mixed things about them allegedly. Three micros. $60 is 10 points. Okay. I gotta do some quick math. We're up 10 points. Like I said, guys, like on our first trade, I was up 20 points. I realistically would not sell there, especially at the start of the move. I have a 25-point stop loss. It does not make sense, really. Especially with how quick it's moving. Like, I'm missing out on a lot of profit. This is a 40, 50-point trade to the downside right here. Yeah, numerals, yeah, same thing with me. Yeah, they disabled it very randomly. And then people think I'm doing like shady stuff or something. I'm like, dude, no, I'm not doing anything shady. They're, oh, what? Why else would you get kicked off the team? I'm like, I don't know. They just sent a massive email deactivating a bunch of people. It's just a bad look on me as well. But they still pay out and they're still legit with all the payouts. I heard they are taking a little longer, but they still pay out. Andy? You're officially a swing trader now, man. Congratulations. You're in the big leagues now, Andy. Guys, if we want to get used to holding our trades, we just trade one micro and just watch. Ani, that's a great idea, man. Ani, you should name it a infinite payout prop as well. Infinite payout prop. We're chilling here at 10 points. We need to see this break right here. This is the gap I'm looking for. This downside. This is a nice 40, 50 point trade. Guys, we should start our own prop firm. And yeah, infinite payout prop. And then we'll pay our investors with the money that people invest into us. We'll pay the people that need payouts with our money that we receive from new investors. So it's basically like a Ponzi scheme. Yeah. Infinite money glitch, guys. Infinite money glitch. And then we'll add, really, when everyone's starting to do really good and getting a bunch of payouts, we'll do a massive retroactive rule change that no one will suspect. Deny millions of dollars in payouts and make the payout rules super unsustainably hard for them to not get payouts. This is a great idea, guys. We're thinking. Now we're thinking. No, I think I would never make a... I don't think I'd ever make a prop firm, honestly. Nah. 20 points. Okay, nice. Liking this break. We can see a nice gap right here. 30 points. We're going to lower our stop. Lower the risk. We do have a new 5-minute in 15 seconds. Yeah. Fast track trading. That's literally what they did. Literally exactly what they did. I'm not even joking. That's literally what they did. Right, yeah. Hey, they're all the head team like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
Order filled.
We're gonna trim one there. We can see it. Yeah, I know.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna scalp. 30-point trade, very small, nothing crazy. But the fact that we're down on the day and this is the account, We just need a winning trade. Every single trade last week was a loss. And today we started off with a loss. So we just needed a win, honestly. We just needed a win. Yeah, guys, we're basically a Ponzi scheme. We're a running Ponzi scheme, basically. Nothing illegal about that, right? Angika, perfect one for you is MyFundedFutures Rapid. It's literally the same exact thing. You can have 5 50K accounts. You can pass in 2 days in a 90-10 profit split. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. They want that secret formula, guys. Triple 4, you're winning, man. You're a win. Hey, a win is a win. Guys, $20 is $20. Ani, what's your entry and how much do you have left? You have like a micro left? This is a nice break if we were still in that trade, but like I said, I'm not going to be greedy. I just need a winning trade, honestly. Yeah. We could always just re-enter. $24,535. Ani, I'm gonna call the market makers right now and tell them to do a massive candle tweet. Hit 540, stop you out, and then come crashing down. Nah, I'm just messing with you. That's a great entry, Ani. Damn. 1 micro. Call the market makers. Yeah, we know his exact position, sir. Yes, send him in. Send him in. Thank you, Emil. Thank you, thank you. Elk 348? My gosh. Damn, 444. 815. Oh my god. That would have paid. But dude, that happened a few times to me where I entered a trade and I got out so freaking early. Like I only locked in 20-30 points and ended up running like 200-300. I'm like, I realistically wouldn't have held that long, but I still would have probably made at least like 100, you know what I'm saying? But we can't get mad about it. Oh yes. Well, we're only down $40 on the day. That's not bad. I'm contemplating whether to trade the challenges or not. That's what I'm contemplating right now. Should I just take another trade on the funded, or should I just go to the challenges? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Triple 4, yeah. Any green is green. And if you're green, you're green. Audi, yeah, 100%. I gotta stop playing scared with those. I'm taking way too long on them. I think we've been in it over 2 weeks now. Let me see. Let me call my business associate real quick. We only have 8 trading days, but we started it. Where are we? March 4th? March 4th? Ooh, yeah, that's kind of a long, that's almost 3 weeks. It's too long. Way too long. Andy, yeah. Hey, now you improved to being a swing trader man today, so that's a big step up. Yeah, most of my trades are not that long, guys. Like, very quick. Generally, like, under 10 minutes, my trades are. most of the time. But there's a few trades where I'm in it for like over 20-30 minutes. It depends how it's playing out, but most of my trades are under 10 minutes, like around 5 minutes. Like that trade wasn't that long, both of them. All right, liking this push down lower. I like that. 444, yeah, we don't need 5K, man. Who cares? Can't be greedy. Gotta take the $20. $5,000 is too much. Too much. Oh yeah, that's way too much. No. Can't handle that. And the best part of this plan is no one can stop me. Thanks, market makers. You're the best. Well, I'll be right back. Yeah, I don't like spending too much time on the evals. Triple four. Scratcher. Back scratcher. I don't know, man. You can get a Powerball or something. Triple four. Instead of $5,000, you buy that $20, turn it into a couple million. Sounds like a win to me. That's a great ROI. Oh man, you're done trading triple four. Okay, you know what I don't think? You know, a lot of the lottery winners, a lot of them end up being broke, which is kind of sad, honestly. Like, dude, like, how did you blow through $100 million? $100 million. You know what I'm saying? You could literally put a couple million in a high yield savings account and have risk-free money coming in every month. That's like the less risky option. It's risk-free. It's free money. I don't know, because they never held that type of money before, and they don't know. They just spend. They don't think. Alright, we have a new 5-minute, actually 20 seconds. Yes, guys. Market open, all in. Great idea, yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're like, numbers don't affect me anymore. Like, I'm numb to the numbers. It's just a number on a screen. Yeah, Skuck's like, yeah, literally just like low risk, nothing. Like, dude, you could bring in good money with that. Well, I was kind of looking for a short right there, but I don't like this candle coming in. kind of a big green candle. Guys, I mean, if we make 1,500 and 1,500, we're done with these challenges. Huh. Peace out, 444. Have a good one, brother. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, man. Scucks, 9 a.m. PST for now still. Hopefully next week or soon I'll do the earlier trading. I'll try to earlier for you guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a stab short here. I think we took a short here on our last trade as well, I think. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we'll see a time zone, because I do want to try earlier streams. So early that I'm sipping my coffee. Yes. Hold the line, Ani. Hold the line. Hold the line. Straight drop to the downside. 'This trade is very anticlimactic. Not a lot of action right here. $10 points. Boom, 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 boom. We do have a new 30-minute and a 1 minute. Yeah, we're moving a little slow right now. A lot of hesitation right here. T-minus 45 seconds. Can we talk? That was a very fast 300 grand. Very fast 300 grand. 20 seconds. Like, I just made 300 grand in less than 5 minutes. And they're like, they're interviewing him. They're like, how does it feel? He goes, sensational. Sensational. Whoa, what's up with this big vocabulary here? Alright. New 5 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute. Half hour. Ani, we do need a flush. We need a big, just big red dump. Pump it. Nope, not liking this break. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay, guys. We're still in this. We're still in this fight. Dump it. Ani, we're trying to trick the market makers because they're watching our streams and they know they want to do the opposite of what we're doing. So we're in a long, guys, long. Because they've been hunting our stops, man. Like, particularly on the first trade. Particularly on the first trade. I don't know why. They're trying to piss us off. But they're not gonna stop us now. Emil! No! Bad. We're trying to fade the faders. All love, Emil, all love. Who's gonna win this fight? Who's gonna win this fight? Thank you, T-Chan. God bless you. Thank you, man. I'm in a short, Skucks. I'm in a short right here. Hey, what's up, M5? How you doing, brother? Straight drop. Straight drop. Alright. He got out, Emil. Good job. You got out. It's okay. You made your quick little money. Now we can really dump. So we can make money. So we both imagine both hedgers both profited. It's a win-win, man. Guys, we're not hedging. We're just trading. Just want to make that clear. M5, he did a tweet or something. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Dude, imagine you're like trading at that time and there's just a massive pump. No.
Stop fill.
Oh my god. That was a big green candle, guys. Oh my gosh. We just got... Well, good thing we had a tight stop. Oh my gosh. Oh man. That's a big candle. Let's go, champions. Yeah, we're done with this funded account for today. We're going to work on the challenges. Yep. Yeah, guys, this is the $2 account. This is the $2 account, guys. He has $264 left. My gosh, this guy is hanging in there. This guy has been through so much pain and endurance-ship, and he's still going, man. He still wants that fight. Yeah, call it a day. Yeah, I'm done on that account. Yeah, I'm working on challenges now. I gotta get these challenges. Can we talk? I want to start learning it. I still haven't learned it yet. I gotta work on that. Tushar, yeah. Even though guys, this $2 account we took from $2 in drawdown. From then, I think we cleared over $2,000 in payouts after the fees from this one account. We're on a 5-day losing streak with his account. We lost 4 days in a row last week. Didn't trade it on Friday. And then we lost today. And it's still alive. He's still going. He's still going, guys. Peace out, Ani. I'll see you tomorrow, brother. Have a good one. Nice trade on that short, man. Oh, M5, that's really bad. That's really bad. Dude, the $2 account. Dude, with 5 minis, that's 2.5 points. Yeah, that's literally 2.5 points. You literally need it to go instantly in your favor. Instantly. Instantly in your favor. Well, we took 3 shorts. We won 1 and lost 2. Low-key might gotta look for longs now. Low-key. Trust the longs. Well, I could make 1,500 on these accounts today. I mean, easier said than done, but yeah. You could do that pretty quick with 2 minis. But you could also blow them really quick with 2 minis. I mean, 30 points is $1,200. So you would only need like a 36, 37 point trade. Peace out, Tushar. Have a good one, brother. I'll see you tomorrow, man. Have a good one. Have a good day. Nice, Kari. Good job. Can we talk? Yeah, I heard a lot of horror stories with the gold. And particularly silver, so I think it's best we stay out, yeah. No bueno. Beyond limits, you missed 100% of the shots you don't take. That is true. Yes, that is true. Peace out, L. Peace out, Tushar. Thank you guys for always watching and supporting the channel. It means a lot. So thank you guys. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Thank you. Kari, yeah. Yeah, I heard a lot of stories with gold and silver. Yeah, I only trade NQ. I've always liked it. I think when I very first started, I tried it like when the beginning of ProfFirms, I tried ES, but then I quickly switched to NQ, and I like it better. Tommy, I think I'm definitely gonna do that with the funded, but with these challenges, I'm just gonna try and pass them together or nothing, and then I could trade them in individually or pairs. I think that's my plan. But for the challenges, yeah, I'm gonna trade them together. We have a new 5 minute and 7 seconds. Andy, yeah, oil. People have been trading a lot of oil. Alright, new 5 minute. New 5 minute. Mill, yeah. Kari, yeah, especially with all the war news, yeah. Yeah, you guys been seeing clean moves, huh? Big moves. Big moves. I mean, we move a lot on a Monday with no news, honestly. Nice, Kari. Gas. Steve. Yeah, those, like, you guys are saying, like, even a micro on silver with 1 point is $1,000. I'm like, that's freaking absurd.
Order filled.
Take a stab along here. Just waiting, entering on a pullback. One mini each, 10 micros each. These are challenges, guys. Challenges. 10 micros each. 1 mini each. We gotta pass these challenges. We gotta get to $3,000. I'd like to get it done and over with so I can trade my funded and make some money. Yeah. Woo! That's the plan. That is the plan. Oh, yeah. Oh, Kari, yeah. Yeah, I never thought about 1%. Well, a 1 point move is literally 5%. That's a massive move. Steve? Sometime in April. We still have time. They get billed, April 5th. Well, we have 2 weeks. Almost 2 weeks. So, we got time. But I would like to get them done this week, ideally. Don't like that break. Whoa. Whoa.
Stop filled.
20-point loss. Are we going to the downside again? What's going on? We took 3 shorts. We lost 2 of them. 1 winner. Take a long on a pullback. I don't know. Still like that entry, honestly. Kari? Yeah, I lost those a long time ago. I lost those a while ago. Like, probably like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Yeah, these are 50Ks. We started them like 2 weeks ago. Or a week. We started like 1.5 weeks. But we're trading 10 micros, 1 mini. We gotta get some progress on these. I mean, are we just forming a range right here, guys, and just coming back to the downside? Right here, look, it's kind of, look, false breakout, and it's coming back down. I don't know. You guys see what I'm seeing right here? This is the bottom, guys. This is the wee little bottom. Right here. Oh, thank you, thank you. Thank you. That would have been really bad. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Jamal. Yeah, every time I do like a fat finger or something. Guys, you guys see what I'm seeing? RB trades, I've always liked the 5-minute, man. I've always liked it. I've always traded with it. I just like it. Okay, yeah, we're good. We're green. We're green. Kari, I do want to learn order flow. I do agree on that. I want to see if it works, because I think it does really well with my strategy. But I gotta learn it. I keep saying that, but I actually gotta learn it. Order flow. Trino fan, yeah. Yeah. Book map. Nice, Emil. Yeah, Emil, you've been doing good on your entries, man. You have been doing pretty good on your entries, bro. Thanks, Mugs. Drone trades. Never seen him before. But yeah, guys, we gotta work on these challenges. Dude, I do not like challenges. I really don't. It's just time you're not getting paid. And you just want to get them done. Nice, Mill. Use it as like confirmation, yeah? Oh, I'm gonna put that on my to-do list, actually. Learn order flow. You guys think a long is good right here? Yeah, Tommy. That's why I kind of like stopped doing the vlogs last year. I took a break is because like everyone was like, "Oh, do this, I'll do that, oh, don't do this, do that." And it was just like, it was so overwhelming. Where I'm like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, it's just a headache. Like, I appreciate all the help, you know, but it's like, it's just too much information. Where sometimes less is more. But I do agree with the order flow. I do want to learn that. If anything, I would think of a short, honestly, at this 24,420 area. I would think of a short right here. That's what I would be thinking. And you guys are thinking long. I mean, I took a long right there and got stopped out. Alright. Let's see what would happen if I entered a short right here. Let's see if I entered a short right here. Let's see if it would have paid. Nice, Vlad. Good luck, man. Nice, Kari. You guys are both saying bye right now. Let's see. You gotta pump it, yeah. Pump it. Oh yeah, Alex. Gotta pump it. What's up, Javier? What's up, brother? Wow. Emil, looks like I'm about to buy your course, man. Wow. Kari, Emil, let me get your course, man. Emil, what do? You do, what is it? Order flow or book map? What do you do? Not for sale. It's off the markets, guys. Not for sale. Book map is used to read order flow. Yeah, like, I don't know anything about that stuff, if I'm being honest. So what, you just see on the candle, like, the buyers and the sellers, yeah? And you see, like, the volume on there? Like, you see how many buyers and sellers there are at those levels, right? That's basically what order flow is. The algo, guys. We gotta get the algo. Thank you, guys. Deep charts. No, I've seen big traders using it. Javier, yeah, it does look a little, especially with the affiliates too. They got rid of all the affiliates, a lot of them, including me. They're doing some changes, but they say they're just removing the bad actors, which is fine by me. That's good. But yeah, I don't know, Javier. It seems a little. I'm hoping it's fine. I'm hoping they don't go under. That would be really bad. Really, really bad. Can we talk? They never said, but they just got rid of a bunch of people, including myself. But I wasn't even doing anything sketch. I did nothing but good things with them. This is very random. I literally woke up on a Friday, can we talk? And they're like, hey, sorry, you're removed from the team. After 2 years of promoting them, I'm like, what? I asked to get back, put back on, and they said, no, sorry, this is final at the moment. I'm like, alright, whatever. Yeah, Javier, yeah, we've seen big companies send out emails like that before, and it did not look good. And some of them ended up going under quickly after. Yeah, it was kind of like getting backstabbed by a friend, you know? Like, I was promoting them, I was doing good with them. I liked their firm, they're legit, they paid out. I got a lot of payouts with them. I'm like, it's a good firm, why not promote them? And I was promoting them for like 2 years. And all of a sudden, they're like, oh, no, sorry. You're kicked off, bye. I'm like, órale pues, I don't know. I can see how they removed like the bad actors, like the bad people, like doing the bad promoting and all that, and promoting bad trading behavior and all that stuff, but I was not doing any of that. I don't know. Yeah, Tommy, that's what I'm like. It was out of my control, so I got really, really pissed off on the day it happened. I was really annoyed. But now when I'm thinking about it, I'm like, it's nothing I did wrong. It was like, it's nothing I could have done. I don't know. Yeah, Tommy, that is true, yeah. Yeah, hundreds of people got their codes deactivated. Can we talk? Yeah, they literally just full port on their streams and go crazy. No risk management, no nothing. But yeah, a lot of people, I can't believe like some of the bigger dudes that like literally just full port like nothing and promote bad trading behavior, they're still with them. Pump it, Alex, nice. I don't get it too, Javier. I don't know. That's why I was pissed off when it happened. I was like, what the heck? And then I got a bunch of people messaging me and also on my live stream saying, hey, why is your code not working? And I'm like, oh, they deactivated it. And then it's a bad look on me. They're like, oh, why would they deactivate Casey's code? That looks sketch. And I'm like, I didn't do anything. I literally just woke up and it was my email, boom, you're off the team. And then I'm trying to say, like, I don't know. They literally just said you're off the team. And then they think that I'm doing some sketchy stuff or something. You know what I'm saying? It's just a bad look on me as well when that happens. But, yeah, like I said, it is what it is. We can't dwell on it, but... Alex... We're in really rough shape, man. We only have $264 left. We only have $264 left. We're still alive. We got to do an hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 5 minute, all right here. Candle. Skunks, take profit trader. No, don't worry, Alex. We're still alive. We can still save it. I mean, we saved that account from $2. We could definitely save him from $260, yeah? Yeah, $260. Yeah, but then the people that full port and gamble on their streams, oh no, they're fine. Yeah, leave them on the affiliate team. Great trading behavior. Great discipline. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, brother. No, we could save it. We could definitely save it. A mill? That is true. They are the house. They are the house. Hey, I start full porting on stream. Welcome back, Casey. We're glad you're back on the team. Thanks for trading with us. Your code is now activated. Thanks for full porting. Yeah, I'm full porting, blowing accounts left and right. They're like, yep, that's what we like to see, Casey. Good job, man. Yeah, Alex, I think that's what, yeah, they want them to like follow and copy. Well, a lot of the bigger YouTubers and live streamers, they have their code still activated. But some did get theirs deactivated. But a lot of them are still with them. And I'm like, dude, I'm like watching this dude. I'm like, dude, this dude's a fucking gambler, bro. I don't know. Maybe that's what they want. I don't know. Hey, what's up, Sketches? How you doing, man? Kari, yeah, because you need to trade 5 days and trailing drawdown, so it's going to get you in the long run. Unless you keep getting like backup accounts and stuff, and then just having them on standby. Because that's what some traders do. They get like 5, 10, 20 accounts, and they have them in reserve. So if they do blow a set of accounts, trading a big size, literally the next day they have a new set of 5, like nothing happened. I know some traders that do that. Yeah, Javier. And it's gone. Just like that, it's gone. Oh, your account's liquidated. It's gone. They love, Javier, they love sending the "it's gone" email. Hi, Casey. We are so sorry that you lost your account. It's gone, but you can use your 10% off discount code right here and get funded right now. So, yeah. Kari, if it works for you and you're getting payouts, that's whatever works for you. Alex, yeah, it's gone. Congratulations, buddy. It's gone. You thought you had 1K? Nah, it's gone. Congratulations, it's gone. Canadian. Sketches, yeah, we were talking about that earlier. Small numbers add up, Sketch. We were talking about it earlier how, like, literally a set of 550K accounts, most of them have a $2,000 max payout per account on most firms now. Most. Some are higher, obviously, which is nice. But most generally have a 2K cap. So even if you trade a small size for 1 month, trading micros and getting a $10,000 payout, you know, $10,000 a month is a lot of money if you think about it. That's $120,000 a year. That's really good. I didn't really think about that. I was thinking, oh, you need 10, 20, 30 accounts. But then I'm like, a set of 5, just getting 1 payout, trading small a month. I mean, that's really good money, guys. Really, $10,000 a month? What could an extra $10,000 a month do for you guys? That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, that's a lot of money, man. So, low-key might have to start doing that. Have that mindset. Yeah, I didn't even think about that, Sketch, and then Tommy was like doing that, and I'm like, that actually makes a lot of sense. And it's that less is more. Like, imagine you just have a set of 5 accounts and you don't buy any more challenges and you got payouts with them. You're in profit, right? I hope you are. And then most prop firms keep you alive, move you to live after 5 payouts. So you could clear $50,000 in payouts. You know, if you make a payout a month trading micros, that's really good money. Slee, that's where the copy trading comes into handy, man. Then you start trading 10, 20 accounts, you know what I'm saying? Then that leverage, you know, it stacks. So that's the thing with power out copy trading. I mean, you can have like 5 Tradeify, 5 Lucid, 5 MyFundedFutures, you know, 15 funded right there. $2,000 each. I mean, that's 30 racks off of like what, a $1,500 $2,000 investment. Yeah, guys. Now we're thinking here. Now we're thinking. We're thinking outside the box. This is the box. We are inside the middle of the box. We gotta think outside of the box. Become smarter, guys. Smart. That is right. I didn't even think about that. 10 grand a month is actually a lot of money. Consistently? If you're pulling out 10 grand a month consistently, that's pretty impressive. Well, Sketches, it depends on you and your finances and how well you do. Like, I know copy trading can be very stressful. Like, I'm pretty sure he rotates accounts, like, just one at a time or something, but he trades, like, a bigger size, I think. I'm not sure. And then, it just depends on you, Sketch. I mean, if you're copy trading multiple accounts and just trade a small size, you know, it could be less stressful. Oh, yeah, can't we tell? Can't forget about the tax, man. You're right, you're right. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. That would be really bad if they got rid of micros. I know some prop firms got rid of them. Like on the funded, which is so annoying. Well, yeah, if you blow a set of accounts with one firm, but you're up on the other firm and you get a payout, you're still kind of up overall. It depends how much you pay, but you should be up. Slee, damn. Well, that's a big step. You moved to live. That's pretty impressive, man. So good job on that. On top of the box. We got to think on top of the box. And Geeka, yeah. I haven't watched his videos in a while. I used to watch some of them, his live streams, but I haven't watched them in a while.
Order filled.
This might be a bad entry, but I'm looking for a short. Well, he trades a different style. Like, he trades, like, I think one account at a time, but he uses, like, a lot of contracts. And I think he scales into his trades, I think. And, like, I can't trade like that. I can't trade like that. It doesn't work for me. And like he said, he can't copy trade. So what works for him doesn't work for anyone else. Like, it depends on you guys and your trading style and strategy. That was kind of a dog shit entry, honestly. That was a FOMO, man. Triangle? Yeah.
Order filled.
That was a dog shit trade. That was a horrible, horrible trade. Horrible, horrible trade. I FOMO'd in that trade. That was a horrible trade. Nice, Tommy. Yeah, Tommy, you're doing good doing that style, man. Nice, Kari. No, yeah, when I was watching his streams, like, he was always, like, most of the time in a trade, yeah. I can't trade like that. Like, that, I can't trade like that. $4 grand a week is a lot. Alex, yeah, they're watching, man. The market makers are pissed off. They're watching. Tommy, that's what I'm saying. Like, small numbers add up. People are making fun of my $200 payouts, but I'm like, we pulled out small $150, $200 payouts, and we had $300, $400 payouts with this account. But, you know, we cleared $2 grand in payouts. Those small numbers, guys, they add up. 2 to 3 grand per week. Yeah, 4 grand is a lot. That's 16 grand a month. 16 grand, damn. Damn. Yeah, money is money. See, guys, this is the beautiful thing about trading. Some things that work for you might not work for others, and what works for them might not work for you. Like other people, I can't add on to my trades. I don't like doing that. It doesn't work for me. Unless I'm in like a absolutely no losing trades I'll add on to anymore. I used to do that and I get wrecked. So I stopped adding the losing trades. Winning trades I'll only add on if I'm in like a banger winning trade and I think like, okay, we have an extra like 50, 100 points we could keep ripping. Then I'm like, okay, I could add in. But majority of the time I'm like full size in, full size out. And I'll trim all my winners. Like, that's how I trade. I can't trade like the others. Yeah, everyone wants to get rich quick, but the guy that's slow and steady, guys, the Tortuga. Guys, that Tortuga, he's slow, but guess what? He's consistent, persistent, patient, and guess what? He always wins at the end. The slow-moving turtle. He's just moving and grooving. Can we talk? I'm on West Coast. I'm on PST, so market open is 6:30 a.m. for me. Yeah, East Coast is like 3 hours ahead. Damn, market open for you guys is at 9:30 a.m. Oh, I'll be well awake. I'll be well awake with some coffee in me. Come on, jump. No, 4 grand a week is a lot of money. That's 16 grand a month. But if you're pulling in 8, 10 grand a week, which is, I don't know how you do that. What's up, brother? Yeah, sketches, they did that to a lot of people. Alex, yeah. Gotta buy her trendline course. Gotta fund her Ferrari payment, guys. Gotta fund her Ferrari payment. Thanks, Tory Trades. You're the best. Thanks, sketches. Can we talk? I've seen a couple of his videos. Yeah, he recently popped up on my feed. Well, if you guys are blowing accounts like that, it's called a churn and burn style. Like if you're spending like 3-4 grand a week. Generally on the funded accounts, they also trade a bigger size, try to get a nice payout, and hopefully that payout covers a lot of their expenses. But with the churn and burn like that, it's definitely more stressful. Definitely more stressful. Because you're constantly blowing accounts, going through the evals, get a new set of funded, and then, you know, doing the same thing. Yeah. Can we talk? It depends on the firm. I know Top Step doesn't like that. Top Step, they only allow you 10 evals a month. Sketches, I think so, man. These market makers are freaking pissing me off, man. Damn. Damn is right. Damn. No, yeah, if they're getting payouts, but they're blowing a lot of accounts, I mean, if they're profitable, you know, they're playing the prop firm game, it's okay, whatever. Whatever works for them, really. But, like I said, when you do it that way, it's definitely more stressful. Definitely more stressful. But hey, if they're getting a lot of payouts too, and they're making good money, I don't knock it. Whatever works for them, you know. Honestly, with the prop firm game, you know, you never treat it like a live account like that, obviously. You're not going to be ripping live accounts like that. Completely different trading. But, you know, the prop firm game, you know, if you're more profitable than you spend on the challenges, even if you lose a lot of accounts, you know, as long as you're profiting. Alex? Well, at least you only have to pay 10 grand in profit, yeah, on the taxes. You only have to pay tax on the 10 grand in profit. Because imagine you had to pay taxes on 200 grand. My gosh. Yeah, Javier, if you pull 200 grand in payouts, man, that's really good. All you need to work on is keeping your expenses low. Like, imagine you only kept it to 100 grand in expenses. Still high, but, you know, imagine you making 100 grand profit. Alex, yeah, I'm a professional full porter. Professional full porter, guys. I full port for a living. They're like 20 grand a month, huh? Wow. I'm a professional prop firm trader. Yeah, certified funded buddy. Certified funded. Take it or leave it, pal. In Geeka, yeah, if you're churn and burning, they're not good. The churn and burning is good. I mean, if you want to, ideally accounts that you could pass in one day. I mean, for churn and burners, because you could literally pass in one day, and then trade your funded account tomorrow. I mean, some of the accounts, like the Lucid Pro account, you could literally pass in one day. You could pass, like if I bought accounts right now and ripped and got to a $3,000 profit target today, I could literally activate them right now 5 minutes later and have my funded and trade them right now. If I really did. Yeah, guys, think twice when you're talking smack on me, guys. I'm a certified funded trader. Yeah, big deal here. Yeah, you guys clearly don't know who you're dealing with here, guys. Come on. Yeah, Kari, the rapid accounts are actually better than the take profit trader because it's literally the same thing. You could pass in 2 days. You could activate your funded the same day, and it's a 90-10 profit split. You get an extra 10% in your pocket. And it's around relatively the same price. Yeah. Thanks, Cox. Thanks for warning us. Yeah, you guys want to buy my course? Link in my bio, guys. Gotta do my link in my bio. Yeah, think twice when talking smack on me, alright? I'm a certified funded trader, buddy. Okay, relax. Hey, you're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy. Kari, no, you can get it right now. You can pass the MyFundedFutures. If you pass on your second day or something. Hey. He's biting the table. Oh my gosh. Hey, relax. You can pass it. You can activate it same day. Discord, Javier? Hey! You're gonna break your teeth. What is it? Oh, it's like $250 a month. Tommy, if I were to get this Tradeify Select... Hey! Sorry, he keeps chewing the table. Jeez. Gonna break your teeth, buddy. I prefer the 5-day on the Select, Tommy. I do. If I were to get them. To the upside! Bro, we moved our table here because we had guests over. And he was chewing on the glass table. He likes chewing on it for some reason sometimes. I'm like, dude, doesn't that hurt your teeth? Like, when I'm like on my phone and he's like laying on my lap, he would chew on my phone, like on the corner. I have freaking bite marks on my phone. I need a new phone. I had this phone for, I think, over 5 years now. I think it's an iPhone 12. Yeah, I think I had it over 5 years now. It's all cracked and stuff. Car, you know, they changed it recently, so you can activate your funded account like right away when you pass. As soon as you hit the profit target and under the 50% consistency rule, Kari, you can activate it like pretty much right away. You just go to your dashboard on the account and hit like activate or something. It's on the dashboard. Yeah, Tommy, I like the 5 days better. Javier, yeah. Dude, a lot of his videos are getting dislikes. Like his main videos, like a lot of them are getting dislikes. No, he's back. He's chewing the damn table. Yeah, you can pass it like 5 minutes after you, as long as you hit the consistency rule, and what is it? In the 2 days, you're good. You can pass it right away. I mean, activate it. Yeah, so I think you can literally get a pay, if you really push it, you can get a payout on your second day with the MyFundedFutures Rapid. Wow, that's actually pretty good. Yeah, they have a $97 discount. $97 for a funded account with them. That's pretty good. We gave away 15 like 2 weeks ago. Can we talk? Yeah, that's nice, man. Yeah, I got the 12 Pro Max. It still works fine. Mine just cracked to shit. Yeah, I took off the case last year because I was like, I dropped it so many times. It actually feels nice without the case. Thanks, Alex. No, he just likes chewing on stuff sometimes. I don't know. But he's fine. He's a big boy. I don't know if he's trying to sharpen his teeth or what. I don't know what he's trying to fight for. And now he's crying. He's not crying because of pain. He's trying to get out. But yeah, he likes chewing on stuff. I don't know. Well, now we're just chopping. Yeah, Javier, that's what I'm saying. You can literally activate your same thing with the Lucid. You can activate it right away when they pass. Yeah, Turtle Power. Everyone trying to make a quick buck. It might be spring break for some people. Yeah. Yeah, Javier, you can get him really quick. Can we talk? Yeah, we still have the same stuff, but I changed some things. Like I got a new keyboard, new mouse. I might do a new setup, maybe new speakers, new webcam. We added the Bibles. Just added some new stuff and changed some stuff, but relatively the same. Nice, Kari. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it right here. We took a lot of losses today. We only got one winner, but yeah, we're down $315 on the fund. It is the $2 account. Still got $264 left. We're still alive. Challenges, we got wrecked on 2 trades lost back-to-back. No bueno. We're going to call it right here. Not going to force it. Come back tomorrow stronger and better. And yeah. $50s? Turtle Power, I lost on these challenges, yeah. Yeah, Javier. Very fast. Very fast. Yeah, right now it's just moving really slow and choppy now. Not a lot of price. Thank you, Javier. Thank you, guys. God bless. Thank you, guys. Sketch, probably gonna go gym, work out. I gotta start posting more videos, so I might edit some videos. I've been slacking on that. And yeah, gym, workout. Cats over here. Edit videos, stuff like that. Thank you, man. Thank you, Alex, as always. Thank you, guys. God bless, as always. I'll see you guys tomorrow on live stream, 9 a.m. PST. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. And yeah, I'll work on the Chad shorts. I'll make some Chad shorts. And yeah, so peace out, guys. God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 9 a.m. PST. Thank you as always. And yeah.